Good morning, beautiful people. It just hit 7 o'clock on the dot. I don't know if you can see. I've been up since 5:45 because today is gonna be one of the longest days of my life, I feel. I have so much to do today. I'm leaving for Colorado this evening, and thank God my flight's not till about 4:30 tonight because I have so much to do. But that's not the point. The point of this video is gonna be, I'm gonna film a couple of videos about Colorado, but this is going to be my packing video. In the past, I have filmed a couple of backpacking videos because I have traveled very minimally for probably the past like 6 or 7 years, and usually with only a backpack, unless I'm traveling somewhere super cold and I need like thick jackets and boots and whatnot, then I'll bring like a travel size suitcase. A couple years back, one of my traveling backpacking videos blew up, and ever since then I've posted videos like that. So I just finished laying out basically everything that I want to bring, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to pack it. And I'm also going to give you tips on packing because I have this down to a science. It is early. Everybody is still so sleepy. Good morning, Stella. Rico's over there. These are basically all the clothes that I'm bringing. I'll explain how I have it organized. This bag is just like a cloth drawstring bag that I have all of my underwear, which I'm also leaving for 6 days, okay? So this is like a decent sized trip, and it's gonna be in the 30s. There's a cold front going through Denver, and I'm staying in Vail, so it's gonna be very cold, okay? So anyways, undies. I brought one bathing suit for the hotel just in case, and then I think I have 6 pairs of socks in there, and then I'm wearing one of those pairs of socks. So I'm bringing 8 pairs of socks total because hiking, biking, I don't want cold, wet feet. Okay, anyways, I have some jackets over here. This is just a really thick, heavy jacket. I don't own proper winter clothes, okay, you guys? So I'm working with what I have. This is the thickest jacket I own, and it's great for layering. And then I have a rain jacket because there's a chance of rain. I looked. And then this is one cute outfit if I go out to like dinner or something like that. My biggest tip for packing, plan out your outfits. I plan outfits every day for activity, like moving my body, working out, and then like a casual outfit just for hanging out. And then depending on how many nights I'm planning on going out to dinner and whatnot, I'll pick out exact outfits for those occasions, okay? This pile is kind of just like, it's kind of just like casual stuff that I can use to layer. So I have 2 really thin long sleeves that I can wear underneath of literally any sweater that I own. As like a base layer, and this is just like a cute little headscarf and then some cute hand warmers. I'm also bringing a beanie and gloves, but those are more for like hiking and biking. This is like the cute version, you know? And then all of this is related to like outdoors and exploring. So these are like long sleeve tops. I have some sports bras up here. Down here are leggings. I have 3 pairs of leggings and then 3 pairs of shorts. I figured I'll wear the leggings underneath of pants when I'm hiking and biking, and then I'll wear the shorts inside for like yoga. Over here I have 2 pairs of pants, sweatpants, 2 more sweaters that I can use to layer, a short sleeve t-shirt, and then biking shorts, mountain biking shorts. That's it for the clothes, and then up there are things that I'm going to be wearing on the plane. I'll show you the outfit for the plane later when I get dressed and leave the house, because another tip, wear your thickest, heaviest pieces on the plane so you don't have to pack them. Although over the years I haven't always followed that rule because I don't want to be like sweating on the plane, but I do try to wear like my thickest pants and just something like that. This light keeps turning off. Okay, so this is the suitcase that I'm going to be bringing. It's just a travel size. It fits above the seat in the plane. I have had this packing cube for probably 10 years. This thing saves my life, and this is, I swear to God, the reason why I have been able to backpack for so long. I typically will travel in a backpack like this. This is a Herschel backpack. I shove all my clothes in here, and it compresses everything, so that way it can just fit snugly in a backpack. Even though I'm bringing a suitcase, I'm still doing the exact same thing. just because I want to utilize as much space as possible. I want you guys to like be able to see what I'm doing, so I'm trying to like make a platform. I'm gonna just start layering all my clothes in here. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm not just placing everything in there like piles like that. I'm puzzling everything in there so that way it's as flat, everything lays as flat as possible. And okay, this is gonna sound silly, but even where your clothes are folded, like some parts are thicker than the others, you might have to flip-flop things around depending on where things are thick and thin. It literally is like a puzzle. But then I just zip her up. This side's always easy to zip since there's nothing else on the other side yet. The lighting isn't that good, but this is how thick it is with just that one half filled. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the other half. There's this little expander in the middle that you can unzip so that way you have even more room in the packing cube. But if you don't need extra room, you can close that and it'll keep everything tighter. But I have that part open since I do have a lot of clothes that I'm bringing. The really thick pieces, I just try to fold nicely and I'll place like either in my backpack or in my suitcase or whatever it is that I'm bringing. But I mostly just try to fit like the thinner things in here. Sometimes, truly, I have to sit on this, literally. If you guys thought I wasn't gonna get this closed, I always get this closed. There we go. That's basically all of my clothes except for my thick sweaters. And I also didn't put this bag in there for obvious reasons. So I'm gonna start puzzling this. Everything's a puzzle into my suitcase. I always shove the packing cube at the bottom, whether it's at the bottom of the backpack or at the very bottom of the suitcase. 3 thick sweaters, raincoat is right here, bag with those things. Hi, buddy. Good morning, Rico. Hi. Where's my kisses, Stella? They're just starting to wake up. It's about 7:10. Almost done packing. These are the toiletries I'm bringing. Toothpaste, tweezers, toothbrush, deodorant, face moisturizer, hair cream, body oil, tea tree oil, Q-tips, probably way more than I need, cuticle cutter thingies, and a nail file. This is a little travel size of conditioner that I just refill with like conditioner that I like using, and then face wash. Over here I have the makeup and jewelry that I'm bringing. Everything that I just showed you is in this bag. This is my little makeup toiletry bag. I got this on Etsy. Here's the suitcase. This bag has my hiking boots in there. This is my super thick jacket, and underneath my jacket is my toiletry bag. And just like earlier, I might have to sit on this to close it, but it will close. Suitcase is ready. I think I'm gonna bring this jacket with me, but I don't need it right now. I'll show you guys the outfit downstairs. I'm debating on bringing my hiking backpack or my purse as like my little personal item. I think I'm leaning towards the hiking backpack. Holy shit, okay. The car's packed. I'm leaving for the airport. This is all stuff that I have to drop off at the dump. Front seat, that's stuff that I have to drop off at the post office. And then I decided on my backpack. I'm bringing both my laptop and my iPad and a book and my camera, and everything fits in my backpack, so it's perfect. Okay, let's do an outfit really quick. Little t-shirt, handkerchief thingy. I have leggings underneath my sweatpants, socks and Birks, and I have my big jacket that I'm bringing, and then I have a jacket or a sweater easily on top of my suitcase, so once I get there I can just open that up real quick for an extra layer if I need it. That's gonna be it for this packing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was kind of helpful. I wanted to show you everything I was bringing just so you could see how I was organizing it and fitting it, and just give you tips and whatever. I'm gonna end this, but I'm gonna obviously vlog while I'm in Colorado. I'm gonna make 2 separate vlogs, one of exploring Denver and one of exploring Vail, because those are the 2 places that I'm gonna be. So yeah, let's head to the airport.